Hi there, I'm Alex here at Edmonds. We're here today to have a look at this spacious 4-bedroom, 3-reception room detached property here in Eccles. Let's go take a look inside. You enter the property straight into the hallway with the stairs on your right and a very useful second lounge immediately on your left. You can then continue through into a wider lobby and straight through into the main lounge. From the lounge it leads off into the dining room, and back from the lobby it leads into the kitchen and the downstairs toilet. And let's not forget, to the rear of the property, our garden room / conservatory. One of the best things about the property is the garden, especially on a day like today. You can sit here in the conservatory, watching over the garden, making the most of the weather, or you can potter about the garden, water the plants, just enjoy the quiet of village life. The other conservatory is quite interesting. Come take a look inside. And the second conservatory sits in the back of the garage. The garage is particularly spacious, which is interesting when you look at where it's situated in respect of the property. It's connected via a small alleyway and offers huge potential to either convert it into an annex, go upwards, add it to the side of the property. Either way, this part of the plot and this part of the property offers huge scope for development. Let's go take a look upstairs. Upstairs you've got a spacious landing, plenty of room to sit and lots of natural light flooding in. Off of the hallway you've got 4 double bedrooms, the room at the back with an ensuite shower room, plenty of room for the whole family. So that's the house, a little bit about village life. As you walk down the road here you'll come to a playing field, plenty of space for the kids to run around, play football, play in the park. You've got a pub, which we'll come back to shortly. Further still down the road you've got Eccles Priory, a very old priory, monks, and very peaceful setting for quiet walks and quiet reflection. Further still you've got Eccles Village, historic village, mostly listed buildings, one very nice pub, one very nice restaurant. But first let me show you a little bit about the walks and the surrounding areas. We'll go take a look at the Vineyard Walk just down the road. So as you can see, a short 5-minute walk and you're at the end of the lane. Ready to walk into the English countryside. Not only does this footpath lead further down onto the orchard, it also connects up with a whole network of footpaths the whole way across the North Downs. Thank you. And what better way to end a nice long walk in the country on a hot day like today than your local pub a few doors down the road with a nice cold beer. Cheers. We're here today in Eccles to have a look at this 4-bedroom, 3-reception room. Wait for the car. Hi there, he's speeding. We're here today in Eccles to have a look at this We're here today in Eccles to have a look at this nice chair. What am I talking about? Not only is it particularly long, it's also particularly wide. You can access Jack. And this is the second conservatory, which sits like a